Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last session, we created the boundary line and at that moment I mentioned that we are just one step away to apply material and render our project. So this is the last step of the finishing stage. We will access the file which was saved in the last lecture, lecture number 16. And from here, we have to do some minor adjustments. For example, we have to give the base floor. For that, I'm going to use a 2D rectangle starting from this point all the way towards the other end like this. I can select this complete and hide it so that I can clearly see this inside rectangle. From here, I'm going to use a command that is region, and then I will create a region out of this shape, and here you go. We can apply a material on this shape. Now we can end the object isolation and we are back to normal. Now you can see our doors and windows are right at the corners. So for realistic view, we have to move them say 1 inch or 0.5 inch away. Let's give 1 inch value. Similarly, we can select this one, move it from this point till 1 inch and boom. Now it is looking more realistic when we will be doing our rendering. We will do the same thing with this window. Make sure you select the panel and the glass, everything. The three parts are selected. Make sure they are selected 1, 2, and 3. See if you miss one, it will not be moved. See, this part has not been moved. We can adjust it later. For now, let's keep rolling. Let's move it again. 1 inch. And here we go. Same goes for the door. One inch. Let's select this window. 1 inch and done. We have another window on this face, so let's select this one too. After doing it, you will see that it will give a more realistic look because these windows and doors are not just at the corner of the edge, they are a bit further. So after doing it, it will give a nice realistic look. For the exhaust, you have to select the frame and all the louvers. If you list any louver, it will not be moved and it might seem a bit off when rendered. There is the last window at the back side, so let's do it. On the other side, there is just one window, there is no door, so let's do it. The inside doors don't need any further workout because they will not be showing in the rendering. We have mistakenly placed it wrongly, so let's move it first to the corner and then we can put it further away 1 inch. Let's select again and move it 1 inch inside like this. Well, we have understood the basic concept, so let's move it to realistic because the next thing is application of material and it can also be observed in realistic. So we have saved the file as lecture number 17 and we will access it in the next lecture and apply materials all over our project. Let's call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.